Absolutely have to raise them. We have to raise them. Okay.
Good morning, sir.
All right, there you go.
Thank you.
All right, yeah, good. That would be security, guys. Very coincidental timing. Very coincidental timing. Oh, man. It's like so as we reach the 2-year anniversary, and you'll be seeing that very soon, video of that. As we reach the 2-year anniversary of the day that they shut down that hallway, and 2, the day that they shut down the entire place, which would be like that for a while. I just noticed today the screws have tightened, which means I'm going to go up here. The screws have tightened today. So the first thing that we saw, was a little powwow between a couple people at the end of that hall, who greeted me, and they went up in the elevator. The second was crossing paths with security, split second before going in to grab this. So obviously, things are tightening. Might be smart to stay out of here tomorrow. Taking a look at March the 2nd, 2020, and this is what I'm talking about. Here's the hall you're used to seeing. You're going to see the other building. This is the one I went into yesterday, just far enough to get a mask. This is the one I used to go into. Right. Okay, so I'm going out.
Weather's changing for today, at least.
You can see the trees changing, and there it is right there. At the moment, that has a table set up, a little screening thing. So this is the place I haven't been in 2 years, and there will be an attempt here very, very soon. Yep, just a little walkthrough. Again, there's nothing in there like creamers or anything. But that is the the Brown Friday building. And then just around and out. That's March the 2nd.
Wraps it up. See you guys later.
All right. Look at that from 2020. Look at those trees. Wow.